YouTube, what's up, Mr. Randall? Hey, this shit's real. This is really going down. One of the closest asteroid approaches ever predicted, ever tonight. Blah blah blah. Get off there. Predictions of close asteroid approaches are becoming common as we gain more knowledge of objects with Earth-crossing orbits. Nevertheless, the passage of 2023 BU, that's the name of the asteroid in case y'all didn't know, over South America shortly after midnight, blah blah blah, tonight, is on quite a different scale. Many astronomers define a close approach as coming inside the orbit of the moon, although more distant passages will still attract attention. If the object in question is large enough, the asteroid will briefly be 100 times closer than that, causing it to leave on an entirely different orbit. Nevertheless, the asteroid won't exactly be skimming the atmosphere, and indeed will be 3,000 kilometers further from the planet's surface than the International Space Station or most other low Earth orbit satellites. On the other hand, it will be 10 times closer than satellites in geosynchronous orbit. A collision with the asteroid wouldn't have been disastrous either, at least on a planetary scale, at somewhere between 3.5 and 8.5 meters across. Well, I read it was about 12 double-decker buses. That's what I heard in the other thing that I read. This is no dinosaur killer, blah, blah, blah. An object that size hitting the atmosphere would create a dramatic explosion. Some pieces would probably make it to ground as meteorites, but the danger would be similar to the Long March 5B rocket boosters that have fallen recently. You wouldn't want to be under one, but only those directly hit would be affected. Shit, I'll go outside and collect one of them motherfuckers. Let me find some pieces. I don't know where I'd sell it, but yeah, about the size of a box truck. That's not what I heard. They did not say that. They said 12 double-decker buses. Liars. From the now familiar giraffes at the lower end of estimates to buses. It's encouraging an object this small was spotted 5 days ago before closest approach. But if it's so damn small, why are they making a big deal out of it? If it's so small and well, obviously it's big enough to be able to fucking see. So anyways, tell the object wasn't large enough to be a serious danger. There was initially some uncertainty as to whether it might hit or not. Well, I'm telling you what, if that shit comes crashing through your living room, you're gonna think that it's big. Just imagine a truck dropping out of the damn sky. Okay, yeah. Well, it's not that big to cause any harm. No, just fuck everything up around you. But blah blah blah. Ruled it out as an impactor, but despite very few observations, it was nonetheless able to predict that the asteroid would make an extraordinarily close approach with Earth. Cool. I want to see the motherfucker. Just not that close. It's one of the closest approaches by known near-Earth object ever recorded. Alright. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Never mind. 5 days will certainly not be enough to send up a heavy impactor or nuclear weapon to deflect the threat. But if the incoming space rock was a size to threaten a city rather than the whole planet, warnings like this could save lives. How? What are you going to do? Where are you going to run? You can't give an actual estimate as to where it's going to pass and where it's going to hit. Because once it hits Earth's gravitational pull and it comes into the atmosphere, it's getting burned up, so it's going to break. Yeah, if anybody knows anything about that shit. But yeah, I'm no space nerd, but I've watched Armageddon a few times, so. But yeah, just want to let y'all know. Who knows? They ain't saying nothing about being able to see it, but I don't know. You can kind of see a glimpse of the satellites up there. You know what I mean? Shiny little motherfuckers. They look like stars. So, see this truck-sized thing fucking floating around in the sky. I'm pretty sure you'd be able to see it. Alright, y'all. Mr. Randall. Out.